Here's how to remove page numbers from certain pages in Word. For this demonstration, I only want page numbers to appear on pages 2, 3, 4, and 5, which means the first page and anything after page 5 won't have any page numbers at all. To get started with this, go to the top of Word and click on Insert. From there, you'll want to click on Header and Footer, and then click on Page Number. You'll see options for where you want the page numbers to appear. I'm going to place them at the top of the page, on the right side. After you've made your selection, go ahead and close the Header and Footer view. Here's where it gets interesting. You need to decide where you want the page numbers to either start or stop. Since I want them to start on page 2, I need to set that up properly. Place your cursor right before any content on the first page and go back up to the top ribbon. Then click on Layout. When you click on Breaks, you'll see several options. Choose Continuous. What this does is create an invisible section break that lets you control page numbers independently in different parts of your document. Alright, let's move to the next page where you need to control the page numbering. Again, place your cursor before any content on that page and click on Layout. Click on Breaks, then select Continuous just like before. Here's the thing, you'll need to repeat this process for each page where you want different page number settings. Once you've got all your section breaks in place, it's time for the magic to happen. Open up the Header and Footer view again. This is where you'll go through each section and click on Link to Previous to unlink it. I'll press Link to Previous to unlink it, and then I'll do the same thing for sections 3, 4, 5, and 6. Once that's done, all the sections are disconnected from each other and can be controlled independently. The final step is where you actually decide which sections get page numbers and which don't. Since I don't want page numbers in the first section, I'll click in that header area and press the backspace key to delete them. You'll notice that the page numbers are still showing in the other sections, which is exactly what you want. I also don't want them in the last section, so I'll click in that header and press backspace again to remove them there too. That's all there is to it, and you'll see that the page numbers now appear only on the pages you selected.